Aiming to enhance your 3D modeling experience in 2026? This time, we'll look at two exceptional CAD software programs, Plasticity 3D and Shapr 3D. Here's everything you should know about both of them. First off, there's Plasticity 3D, which is a desktop focused CAD program designed to be quick, intuitive, and flexible. This software leverages the Blender like interface and is particularly suited for concept artists and industrial designers seeking a faster iteration process without any conventional CAD obstacles. The best part about this software is its NURBS for Artists approach, which allows for CAD level geometry manipulation with the versatility of a poly modeler. As far as licensing goes, Plasticity 3D focuses on perpetual license scheme where users can purchase one-time licenses and get annual upgrades after their purchase. Shapr3D is an industry standard software solution for engineering and professional design based on precise CAD. Being powered by the Power Solid kernel and D-Cube sketching engine from Siemens, Shapr3D guarantees absolute accuracy of mathematical calculations and seamless compatibility with professional file formats such as STEP, IGES, and X_T. The software was engineered to be optimized for cross-platform use, performing best on iPod with Apple Pencil and desktop alike. Shapr3D is known for its intuitive interface that seamlessly connects ideating and manufacturing documentation. Although it is paid software, it delivers all tools needed for precise engineering design. So, which one is better for you? Plasticity 3D wins for artists and designers who require fast ideating and hard surface modeling using light and desktop oriented software. The answer to precise engineering, 2D technical drawing, and flawless compatibility with industrial manufacturing processes will be Shapr 3D. In case you value speed, creativity, then plasticity is just what you're looking for. But when your work needs accurate technical details and industrial compatibility, it would be wise to choose Shapr 3D. Why not try both and decide which one suits your way of creating things? Tell us in the comments below.